Hi guys. So in continuing our series of lectures on delusions, the delusion that I have picked up for today is delusion sold his bed someone has. And in cross reference we will also consider delusion bed evening as if someone would get into and no room in it, or as if someone had sold it. The medicine listed under these two rubrics is Nux vomica. The source for this rubric is Materia Medica Pura, symptom number 1068, which states anxious, delirious fantasies in the evening in bed, as if someone were coming into bed beside him and there is no room. His bed has been sold. Now, as I explained earlier, we suffer from delusions which are symbolic of what we generally perceive about our environment and what is our interpretation of the happenings around us. Now, bed symbolizes rest, symbolizes peace, tranquility, sleep, and Nux vomica is listed under two very important rubrics in the repertory: longing, repose, and tranquility for, and the other one is quiet, wants to be, repose, and tranquility desires. The patient of Nux vomica cannot find rest easily. Now, this can be because of various reasons. It can be because of acuteness of senses, extreme sensitivity to noise. It can be because of sexual fantasies. It can be because of persisting ideas and thoughts. It could be because of tremendous anxiety. So it is very tough for the Nux vomica patient to find sleep or to find rest. In synthesis repertory, I will just tell you certain rubrics under which Nux vomica is listed. First of all, under the mind section, refers to being growling, sleep, disturbed in. Growling again is symbolic of the animal like behavior, the excessive anger, the violence of Nux vomica whenever it is disturbed in sleep or whenever it is disturbed while it is doing something that is giving it peace. Then there is irritability disturbed when, quarrelsome disturbed if, and under the sleep section, sleep disturbed anxiety from, sleep disturbed delirium during, sleep disturbed dreams by, sleep disturbed noise by slightest, sleep disturbed pollutions by, sleep disturbed thoughts by. So, what is sleep symbolic of? Sleep can be considered anything that takes the attention away from the conscious day to day struggle that the Nux vomica patient has to face, from the constant toil, from the constant industriousness that is there in the Nux vomica patient. So, when we study the rubrics, especially the rubrics on delusion, in light of the characteristic traits of the patient, that is when we get to the actual essence of the rubric, and that is when we can understand the artistic use of repertory at bedside. So, I'll be sharing more lectures on delusions and hope they are helping you. Stay tuned. Thanks.